Hello and welcome back. So in this video, we will discuss about the primitive data types in JavaScript. Okay. So in JavaScript, there are basically 8 data types. 7 of them is the primitive data types, which we have currently right now inside of the screen. And there is another one, which is the JavaScript object data type. Okay. So when we will be discussing about the JavaScript objects, we will be discussing about that in details. But currently right now, we will be discussing about the primitive data types in this video. Okay, so there are 7 primitive data types. So as you can see, we can divide the primitive data types into 2 different categories. One of them is the numeric data type and another one is the non-numeric data type. Okay, so inside of the numeric data type, we are having the number. Okay, so the number basically represents a numeric value, something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.0, 2.0, and so on and so forth. So in case if you have some experience with some other programming languages, there are different types of numbers. Basically, we have the integer numbers and we have the floating point numbers, basically the decimal numbers, right? But in JavaScript, we have only one data type, which is number for the numeric data types. So the number data type represents the integers as well as the floating point numbers as well. Then we have the BigInt. Okay, so BigInt is basically a data type that represents a large integer. Okay, all right. So then we are having the non-numeric data types. So in non-numeric data types, we have the strings. The strings are basically the text. Okay, in the last video, we have written our first program, the hello world program in JavaScript. Okay, so there we have used the string. So strings are a piece of text. Okay, so a text of characters enclosed in quotes. All right. Then we have the Boolean data type. So the Boolean data type is the data type which represents the true or false. Okay. We will discuss about these in details in the upcoming videos. Then we have the null data type. So the null is a value representing the object absence. Okay. Then we have undefined. So the undefined is similar to null, but there are some key differences. We will discuss about the undefined and null in the upcoming videos, so don't worry about that. But currently right now, you can just say when there is an absence of value, it is null, okay? And then when we haven't basically declared a variable value, okay? So a variable with no assigned value is undefined, all right? Okay, and then we have the symbol. Okay, so the symbol data type is a unique primitive identifier. So we basically do not use the BigInt and the symbol that much inside of the code, but we have to know like these data types exist inside of JavaScript, right? So what we will do in the upcoming videos, basically from the next video, we will start by discussing about the numbers. Then we will discuss about the strings, Boolean, null, and undefined. Okay, so we will be discussing about all of the primitive data types which JavaScript offers. Okay, so this was the introductory video for the primitive data types in JavaScript. All right, I hope that it is helpful. So if that is helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.